Hey there. Need your Bank of America routing number to set up direct deposit or make a wire transfer? Finding it online is quick and easy, and you want to make sure you're using the correct one for your transaction type. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find it. Log into your Bank of America online banking and select your checking account. Your routing number is displayed at the top of the account details page. You can also find it on the bottom left of your paper checks, the first 9-digit number. If you're doing an electronic transaction, like direct deposit, use the standard routing number. For wire transfers, you'll need a different, specific wire routing number, which you can find on Bank of America's website. My crucial pro tip? Always double-check if you're sending a wire. For domestic or international wire transfers, using the standard electronic routing number can delay or misroute your money. Always search Bank of America wire routing number on their official site for the correct code. That's how you ensure your money moves quickly and accurately. Have you ever used the wrong routing number? What happened? Let me know in the comments. For more essential banking details, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.